Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey guys, it's Dante. Welcome back. This week we're going to go over changing or installing your air filter in your fridge. This happens to be a Frigidaire. They all tend to be pretty much relatively the same on your higher end fridges. This is what your air filter is going to look like. You can tell it's still in the package. I'm not going to take it out and install it, but this is the gist of it. Just check your drawers if you just got the unit shipped to your house. But you see right here, Pure Air Ultra 2 air filter. Now this little cover just pops off like that. There's just little clips that hold it in here and in here. And your air filter is going to go and sit right in there or so. And then boom, push it back in and you're golden. So all that pretty much does is just filter out all the impurities in your air, clean everything, and just traps it like a car filter or a house filter does. Your higher end fridges or fridges along this line are going to be a similar way to do the air filter. Just check around. If you see like anything that says air filter on it, that's probably a good indicator that that's where that's at. Really easy to change, takes 2 seconds. That's pretty much all I have for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Come back next week. Thank you.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.